Hey guys, it's Miss Wilson. Guess what? I believe in you. And because I believe in you, I know that we're going to be able to do all these problems using place value. We are going to go from extended form where we stretch out a number to standard form where we make the number look just regular. Okay? Look, let's get started. All right. So our first number is 200 plus 80 plus 7. So we're going to write 200 plus 80 plus 7. We're just going to put our plus sign over here, okay? So we're going to add these numbers together and make this answer standard form. So 0 plus 0 plus 7 is 7. Good, because 0 plus anything is that number. We have 0 plus 8. The answer is 8. Good job. And then 2 plus nothing is what? 2. So the answer to our problem is 287. And it is written in standard form. At first it was an extended form where we stretched out the number 280. But then we decided to add all those digits together and come up with 280. And that's how you do place value, going from extended form to standard form. Let's get to the next problem. Next problem is 400 plus 50 plus 6. I know Miss Wilson hadn't written it yet, but I'm just calling it out. 400 plus 50 plus 6. All right, it's written in extended form. We're trying to get to standard form. This is what we're going to do. We're going to add 0 plus 0 plus 6. That's going to give us 6. 0 plus 5 is going to give us 5. And 4 plus nothing is going to give us 4. Our answer is 456. We took it from the extended form to the standard form. Okay? Good job. And look, when you are working on place value and you're adding numbers together, make sure that you keep your numbers lined up. That's why Ms. Wilson built this small or wrote this small place value chart. So we can keep everything in line, okay? All right. I know you will. All right, let's go to the next problem. Problem number 3. We have 500 plus 40 plus 3. We already know what we're going to do, right? We're going to add these zeros. 0 plus 0 plus 3 equals what? 3. Good job. 0 plus 4 equals 4. Good job. 5 plus nothing is 5. Good. We went from extended form to standard form. And the standard form is 543. Remember, extended form is when we take a number and we stretch it out. Okay? But standard form is when we add all of those different values together to come up with just one single number. Okay? Good deal. Now, if you want to, you can see if you can work problem number 4 by yourself while I'm erasing. Because guess what? I know you can. I know you can. All right. Problem number 4. We have 600 plus 80 plus 1. All right. What are we going to do? We're going to add these numbers together. We have 0 plus 0 plus 1. It equals 1. 0 plus 8 equals 8. 6 plus nothing equals 6. We went from extended form right here to standard form right here. And our answer is 681. Good job. Uh-oh, I think somebody's already working on problem number 5. That's good. I believe in you. Try it. Keep on. Try it. Go. I'm going to catch up with you in just a minute as soon as I erase this board. Okay? Uh-oh, I think somebody is writing problem number 5 all neat. Have you found the answer yet? That's okay. I'm about to do problem number 5. Problem number 5 says 900 plus 90 plus 9. Okay, you know what we have to do. We have to add. So we have 0 plus 0 plus 9, which equals 9. 0 plus 9 equals 9. And 9 plus nothing equals 9. Our answer is 999, and it's written in standard form. We went from extended form to standard form. Good job. Look at you. Good job. Okay, I'm sure somebody has noticed that problems 6 through 10, they have the thousands place. Don't you panic. Don't you panic. It's just like doing the hundreds place. Okay? Don't panic. Don't panic. Look, Miss Wilson already has the thousands place over here written out. All right. So our number 6 is 3,000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 8. You already know what to do. We're just adding. All these zeros plus 8 equals 8. 0 plus 0 plus 4 equals 4. Good. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 3 plus nothing equals 3. Now, this is something I need you to remember. That when a number is in the thousands place, there's always a decimal right there. When we get to the thousands family, we have to, it's not a decimal, a comma. We have to put a comma, okay? So our answer is 3,248, and that is written in standard form. Good. And standard form is just the regular way that we see numbers, okay? Good job. All right, let's go to the next problem. What's our next problem? Next problem is 1,000 plus 100 plus 10 plus 1. You already know what to do. All these zeros plus 1 equals 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1 equals 1. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus nothing equals 1. And this is a number in the thousands place, so we have to put a comma right there. Good job. Good job. All right, let's go to the next problem. And so we went from extended form to what form? Standard form. Good. And remember, extended form is when we take a number and we stretch it out. Standard form is when we take a number and we add everything together to come up with a regular looking number. That's called standard form. Okay, let's do our next problem. We have 8,000 thousand, 630 plus 5. All right, we already know what to do. We're going to add all these zeros plus 5, and we're going to come up with 5. Good job. 0 plus 3 equals, good, 3. 0 plus 6 equals what? Good, 6. And 8 plus nothing equals what? 8. Good. And because this is in the thousands place, we have to put a comma right behind it. Okay? Or we can do this. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands. Okay? Okay? So we went from expanded form, where we stretched out the number, to standard form, where it looks regular. Okay? Good job. Guess what? We're almost through. And you are doing such a good job. Keep up the good work. Okay? And remember, if you want to, you can see if you can work problem number 9. Ms. Wilson is about to write it down in just a minute. But you can see if you can find out the answer all by yourself. I believe in you. Problem number 9. We have 2,000 plus 700 plus 40 plus 3. All right, we already know what to do. We're going to add all these zeros together. Add all these zeros plus 3, and it's going to give us what? 3. Good job. Then we're going to add 0 plus 4 and come up with what? Good, 4. Then we're going to add 0 plus 7, and we already know that 0 plus any number is that number. So 0 plus 7 is what? 7. Good job. And then 2 plus nothing is what? 2. Good deal. So we went from extended form to standard form. And remember, this is a number in the thousands place. So let's see where we put our comma. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands. Good job. Good job. All right. Let's go to the next problem. Well, guess what? The next problem is the last problem. Let's do this last problem. Let's see if you can do it by yourself. I want you to get a sheet of paper and see if you can work it by yourself while I'm erasing this. Okay? All right. And while I'm erasing this, I'm going to count to 10. And when I get to 10, I'm going to start working on this problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'm going to start working on it. 6,000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 2. All right, I already know what to do. I already know that I'm going to add all these zeros plus 2, and it's going to give me 2. I'm going to add all these zeros plus 1 and come up with 1. 0 plus 3 is going to give me a 3. And 6 plus nothing is 6. And now I got to find out where to put my comma. Let's see. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands. Good. Good job. Now our answer is 6,312. We went from extended form, where we stretched that number out, to standard form, where we added everything together to come up with a regular number that we look at all the time. Good job. Guess what? I believe in you. You did so good. I'm so happy for you. And if you forget how to do your place value, that's okay. You can always come back to this video and look at it again so you can remember. Okay? Now, before we go, we're going to go over our larger place value. Okay? Just so you can remember. Okay? All right. First thing I want you to know is this is called a decimal. Never call it a period. And the decimal says point or it says and. It says point and it says and. Okay? So let's look at all the digits in front of the decimal. All right? So we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions, 10 billions, 100 billions, trillions, 10 trillions, 100 trillions, and so on and so forth. Okay? Now, this is something else I want you to know about the place value chart. That the ones, the tens, and the hundreds, that's called the units place. Okay? And anytime you see a comma, whatever the word is by that comma, that's the name of the family. Okay? So we're at this comma, and then the next thing is the thousands. So this is the thousands family. In the thousands family, we have the 10,000s and the 100,000s. Then we have a comma, and we're at the millions family. That's the name of the family. We have the 10 millions and the 100 millions. Then we have a comma. Then we're at the billions family. We have a 10 billions and 100 billions. Uh-oh, now we got a comma. The comma's gonna tell us whatever name is behind the comma. That's the name of the family. So we got a comma, and we're at the trillions place. So this is the trillions family. And it's the trillions, 10 trillions, 100 trillions. Okay? Always remember that. If you get confused, make you a little place value chart. And then come watch this video and we can work on it. Okay? Now, I'm going to tell you something a little extra. There are digits behind the decimal. And I'm just going to teach you the first three. The first one behind the decimal is called the tenths. The next one is the hundredths. And the next one is the thousandths. They're kind of hard to say. But try to say it along with me. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths. You might spit a little bit. That's okay. Saying that, it kind of make you spit a little bit. That's okay. Now don't spit on anybody. Okay, so those are the three spaces that's behind the decimal. Now there are a lot of spaces behind the decimals. We're not going to worry about them. But Miss Wilson just wanted you to know those three. The tenths, the hundredths, and the thousandths. You did great. You have a great day, sweetheart. I believe in you.